Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Still up in Scotland, and today we've taken a bit of a drive along the A82 up towards Glencoe area, but at the moment we've stopped off at Falls of Falloch to try and capture the waterfalls here. So we're just on our way now to find the falls and see what image we can get from that location. Well, for this first shot now, the falls, if you can hear me over the rage, it's falling quite fast, the water, and I did take one image with no filters on, and that gave me ISO 100 f11 for 1/15 of a second, and I'll pop that one up on the screen for you now. But the next shot I actually used the K&F 3-stop ND filter, which gave me a shutter speed of 0.4 seconds at f11 ISO 100. And it just helped to smooth the water out, and just the way the water moves in the bottom of the pool here, just to give that slightly long exposure, and hopefully just left a bit of texture in the water itself. I've got the waterfall framed by two bushes which look quite autumnal at the moment, being that it's that time of year. So yeah, this is the first shot, or the second shot, and I'll pop it up on the screen for you now. For this next shot, I've come just to the right hand side of the falls, and the path kind of drops down a little bit and gives you a clear view of the falls, better than the view from up the top, although you don't have so many nice autumnal colours from this viewpoint, but you do get a better perspective on the fall, I think. So I've set the camera up again. I'm still in landscape orientation. I've kept the 3-stop the 3-stop neutral density filter on. Give me ISO 100 f11, and this was for 0.6 seconds. I also took a shot without the filter on, which gave me a shutter speed of 1/20th of a second, and I'm not sure at the moment, looking on the back of the camera, which one I prefer, but once we get back home again and on a computer and have a proper look, whichever image it is, I'll pop it up on the screen for you now. But for the next shot now, I've actually put the camera into portrait orientation. Again, kept the 3-stop ND filter on, I've zoomed in to try and cut out as much of the sky as I can, and it's given me f11 ISO 100 for 0.4 seconds, and I'll pop that one up on the screen for you now. This one last shot now, I think. I've just come a little bit more to the right, so the waterfall itself is actually towards the right hand third. Gives me a bit more of the pool that the water falls into. Again, I've kept on the three-stop ND filter. I put the aperture at f5.6, which has given me a shutter speed of 1/4 of a second. And that looks quite nice on the back of the camera. Hopefully we can pull out some of the colours in post. I've used the crop feature on the back of the camera just to get an idea of what it will look like as a 16:9 crop, but obviously shooting raw, you've always got the option of cropping it differently in post afterwards. But yeah, I think this one would work quite well as a 16:9, and I'll put that one up on the screen for you now. Well, I think that's it from Falls of Falloch. There's not a great deal here other than the fall itself. It's very nice, very picturesque, and in autumn with the autumnal colours, it's lovely. Hopefully one or two nice images there. But yeah, if you haven't already, consider subscribing, leave a comment, and till next time, take care, see you soon. Cheers then.